All right, it's Tuesday, July 14th. Let's take a look at what's going on with these trades. So the first one is gold. Gold is at 169 right now. The call strike price is at 172, and there's still 38 days to go on this trade. So nothing really needs to be done to this trade. There's still a lot of time on it, and I want to let it develop a little bit more. Now the SPY, yesterday the S&P was up nicely. It was up a few dollars, and then California announced that it was locking down its economy again, and then the markets took a dive at the end of the day. So I don't want to do anything to this trade because I just opened it. It's up another dollar right now in the pre-market. And also, because of earnings season, I think there's going to be some more chop in the markets right now. So I'm going to leave this alone for right now and just see how earnings season plays out. And I'm going to let this trade develop a little bit more. So speaking of earnings season, the financials and the banks are reporting this week. JP Morgan already reported this morning, and they beat expectations. So that's good, and it's part of the reason why the futures are up right now. So Goldman Sachs, Citigroup, Wells Fargo, all those banks are going to be reporting later this week as well. And then after that, all the big technology companies are going to be reporting. So I still want to stay away from a lot of the technology companies that are going to be reporting earnings. So in terms of the new trade that I want to do today is I'm going back to Costco. If you look at the charts for Costco, it already sort of reported the Q1 earnings, and it did very, very, very well. So if you look at the chart, it pulled back a little bit. It sold off about $3 or $4, and I think this will make a decent entry point for a trade. So what I'm looking at is the 21st of August, which is 38 days away, and I'm looking at the 330 call. I'm going to pick up 5 of them because this is a $50,000 demo account that I'm using. And one thing I want to make a note about is the bid-ask spread is a little bit wide. It's almost $2 right now, but this could just be because of the pre-market. Once the market actually opens, this could tighten a little bit. But you want to make sure that when you're executing these trades that you're always trying to get the mid price. There's a natural price and there's a mid price. You always want to buy as close as you can to the mid price. Sometimes the market makers won't accept that price and you have to move it up a little bit, but you want to get as close as you can to this mid price, especially when there's a large or a wide bid-ask spread, because that's really going to determine how profitable your trade is. So I'm looking at Costco the 21st of August, the 330 call. Thanks.